This week we are working with the double O for phonics. So we have worked with this sound before in our reading groups when we're sounding like an owl and we go ooh, ooh. But did you know that double O actually makes two different sounds? So we've worked with the sound in root, root, but did you know it also makes the sound like in book? So we have ooh and Let's go ahead and practice some words. So we have root. Now we know these down here are going to sound like ooh, ooh, like our owl. So boot, boot. Food, food. Room, room. Now these ones over here are going to say the sound like in book, book. Foot, foot. Look, look. Good, good. So you're going to head on over to the next video and we're going to take a look at our assignment today, and we're going to be sorting the words with which sound that they have from the double O.